Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to a very exciting local event, a kabaddi match between two neighboring villages, Chanderchor and Bakshitarampur. The match will be held at Bakshitarampur field. Let's go for watching the match together. Kabaddi is not just a game for us. It's the national sports of Bangladesh and holds a special place in our heart. In our area, Kabaddi is not only popular, but we are known across the country for producing some of the finest local teams. Bakshitarampur village is right next to our village, but it is under a different area called Homna Upazila. It is situated at next to Muradnagar Upazila. Separating our two upazilas is the beautiful and calm Titash River. If you cross the river, you step into Homna. Despite the boundary, we share everything. We go to the same schools, visit the same markets, and live like one community. As we were talking, we reached the Bakshitarampur ground. Just look how many people have gathered to watch this kabaddi match. The popularity of this game in rural Bengal can be understood by seeing this crowd. Today's match is a big one. The local legends of Chanderchor are taking on the pride of Bakshitarampur. The energy is electric, the crowds are loud, and everyone is cheering for their favorite team. Both teams are playing with passion and power. The crowd is loving every moment of it.
তিনি আসলেন সাতারান্নায় খুব সুন্দর খেলেছেন হ্যাঁ জজমিয়া ভাই বাক্সরামপুর একাদশ জজমিয়া ভাই কিন্তু একটু পরে নিয়ে আসলেন মহিম ভাই আমাকে কিন্তু রেখে দিয়েছেন।
This is the beauty of villages, unity, sportsmanship and tradition. I hope you enjoy this local glimpse of Bangladeshi Kabaddi. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy and stay proud of our culture. Allah Hafiz.